The custom keto diet has become so popular that just about everybody and their grandma seems to be on it these days. There's no denying the fact that unlike many other diets, the keto diet yields fast results without you having to eat foods you dislike. There's much more leniency with the diet. You can eat fatty foods and indulge in fatty meats, etc. You're allowed a very small amount of carbs, but you'll not have strong cravings unlike other restrictive diets, because your body is more sated on this diet. That said, the most important rule of the keto diet is to achieve ketosis and maintain it. For your body to become fat adapted, it must be on ketosis for a prolonged period. Only when the body burns ketones for fuel rather than glucose, will you see accelerated fat loss. Ketosis forces the body to burn its fat stores for fuel. That optimizes fat burning and is the main reason why the custom keto diet is more effective than other diets for weight loss. However, achieving ketosis and maintaining it is easier said than done. The biggest problem most people face is getting the foods just right. It can be complicated trying to figure out your macros and tracking your carbs and using ketone monitors, etc. One of the best-selling keto products that has sold thousands of copies is the custom keto diet. It's a very simple product that has only one purpose, to get you into ketosis and keep you there for 8 weeks until you see amazing fat loss. Let's see what the custom keto diet is all about. The good points: 1. The 8-week plan is detailed and it delivers exactly what it says on the tin. One of the biggest obstacles to the keto diet is getting your meals right so that your body goes into ketosis. With this plan, you'll not need to worry about it. Just follow what's laid out for you to the letter and ketosis will be inevitable. 2. The recipes are easy to prepare and taste great. One of the fundamentals when following a diet is that the food has to taste good. Nothing is worse than being on a diet where everything tastes bland or you feel like you're chewing on cardboard at every meal. The custom keto diet meals are delicious and you'll enjoy them as you lose weight while in a state of ketosis. It's a win-win. 3. The custom keto diet is backed by a 100% 60-day money-back guarantee. Give it a spin and see how it works out for you. You'll most probably never ask for a refund because the product just works, but it's good to know that your money is not at risk with this purchase. 4. You're also given a plan that allows you to estimate just how much weight you can expect to lose. While well-intentioned, this can be misleading and disappointing. Those who are heavier and carry more excess fat will tend to lose more fat at a faster rate than those who are lean. Since individuals are different, two people who, despite weighing the same and being on the same keto diet, may still encounter a situation where one person loses more weight than the other. So, guesstimating potential weight loss is just a shot in the dark. Use the plan to estimate your weight loss, but don't put all your faith in it. Just comply with the 8-week plan and you'll lose more weight than you ever thought possible. 5. The nutritional information from the macros to the micros and the calorie counts, etc. have been listed for you. For those who like to concern themselves with the details, it's all there for you to study. The truth of the matter is that it's better to reap the fruit rather than study the roots. Focus on following the custom keto diet to the letter and you'll succeed in no time at all, well, in 8 weeks to be exact. But you get the point. 6. The best part of it all is that the keto diet plan you're given is custom-made for you. By answering a few questions prior to payment, you'll provide the information you need for the system to tailor a keto diet that's just right for your body type and daily activities. 7. The creator, Rachel Roberts, knows what she's talking about and the official website has many success stories from those who used the custom keto diet. That's a good sign that the product works. The bad points: 1. This is an online download. You'll need a credit card or debit card to purchase it. For easy reference, it's best to print the guide out. It may be a hassle initially, but in the long run it makes things much more convenient. 2. The keto diet is a sensitive one. Even slightly more carbs than you're allowed can throw you out of ketosis. So, you'll need to follow the recipes and instructions in the custom keto diet to the letter. This diet cannot be approached haphazardly because there's hardly any room for leniency. Should you get it? Do you want to shed fat faster and easier than ever before? If your answer is yes, ketosis is the state you need to be in. Problem is, getting into ketosis and being on a diet that maintains it is a pain in the you-know-where. You absolutely can't wing it. The custom keto diet takes away all guesswork and tells you exactly what you need to eat, how to cook these delicious keto meals, and how to stay on track for 8 weeks. By the time you're through with this plan, you'd have lost a lot of weight, provided you stayed on track and followed the instructions. The program is extremely safe and takes into account all the principles of the keto diet. You could be an absolute beginner who knows nuts about the keto diet. You may not even know if you can eat nuts while on keto, but guess what? With the custom keto diet, you'll become a pro without having to waste a minute on research. It's all done for you and laid out in a simple step-by-step manner with clear, concise instructions. This is the biggest strength of the custom keto diet, and it's what won our hearts, the simplicity and paint-by-numbers approach. Do this, do that, eat this, eat that, easy to follow without overthinking things. The sheer number of recipes and variety makes it perfect for any keto dieter. The days of wishing to lose weight before with the keto diet, but being held back because you didn't know what to do are over. All you need now is the custom keto diet to go from zero to hero, or heroin in 8 weeks flat.